going on, everybody? Just a quick montage of the final shed video, basically showing the progress, and then have gotten it to a dried in part where I still have some things to do. I've got a little bit of trim work, got to put the steps on. Once I get that done, then I'm going to go in and wire it, and then I'll put some shiplap up inside. But realized one big thing while building this shed is I'm old. The last one I had done, I did it a lot quicker, but during this one I realized that cutting the trees down, milling everything up, letting it dry, building, working a full-time job, etc. I'm older and I just can't do it as fast as I used to. So, but it's done. That porch is going to be nice to sit on and solve all the world's problems. Hey, if you got any comments, good or bad, please leave them. I'm not a professional. Suggestions, I always look for suggestions, better ways to do things. So I appreciate you watching, and if you followed the first two parts, thank you. And if you haven't, go back and watch those. And again, I appreciate it. Hit subscribe. Hey, would be more sawmill videos coming up. And everybody take care. God bless. Thank you.